Okay guys, we got in a couple hours early. Can't really post anything just yet, but look at this. Like, this is the coolest part about coming to BRP Club. New accessories, a full factory rad relocate. Holy, are we putting one on our new build. So no more choking off the rad up front. She's all gone, she's all empty up there. Bracket's still there, but move the rad to the back, out of the junk. Never have overheating issues again. Oh, that is freaking sweet. Giant intake. Hopefully the fan's not too loud for the passenger. So I guess once you put that on and a set of XMR snorkels, you pretty much have zero visibility. But as soon as you put a cooler on the back, pretty much you have zero visibility. So it's about the same. And then look at this freaking stereo roof. Like 410s, Rockford Fosgate amp, head unit. Super cool. Super cool. Oh, let's turn on some lights for us. That is freaking rad. And of course the new orange and black RC for 2020, the RR, looks so freaking sweet. The rims are so cool. Man, that's cool. I'm pumped. Man, that roof looks awesome from up top too. Look at that rad relocate. That thing is freaking sweet. Frick, you could put a custom, a custom cut inlay in there, kind of make it your own. Like, it's got like almost like a roll bar. Don't mind my hand, it's just a burn from the exhaust taking skeg out of full pull. So cool. Kind of funny with that rear skid plate. RC comes with a nice tow hook. Kind of inaccessible with that on, but freaking cool, man.